Yogi Clan, happy Tuesday to you. What is going on? It is now right here Monday night, the day after Orphan Run weekend. And I want to get a video out to you guys. I thought I got something fun I can do on the Fatboy to get some content up there, and I can kind of tell you a little bit along the way how the Orphan Run went. Now, this video is not going to be about the Orphan Run. I'm going to have a separate video on that. But today's video, brother of mine, Squirrel, and if you notice, I'm here with Miss Piggy. Let me turn Miss Piggy on for a minute. All right, so if you're a subscriber, you'll remember when I took the stock bulbs out and put in these aftermarket LED, whatever you call them, bulbs. Replace those out from the stock ones. The turn signals are still stock turn signals, and let me get you closer for a closer look. You can pretty much see the filament in the bulb. Let me turn it on. So notice they do flash on normal flash. Right, it's a normal flash filament bulb, just normal bulb. So my brother Squirrel just sold his Crossbones and picked up a Road Glide and said, "Hey, Yogi, I got these turn signal bulbs. You want them?" "Yeah, I guess so." So today we're going to go ahead and put these in. I thought it'd be a fun, quick little get something done on the Fatboy, and it's really easy to do. And see how they work. Now I'm thinking that when I plug these in, because I do not have a resistor on the bike, it'll probably flash 2 or 3 times normally, and then it'll go to what they call a hyper flash. So I'll probably have to put a resistor in here, but let's see what happens. Funny thing, I had the same thing happen on the bagger, right? I went to go put a resistor in, but before I got the chance to do that, I swapped out the taillights. When I swapped out the taillights with LEDs, it, like, I don't know, the check engine code and the problem went away, and the hyper flash went away and it went back to normal. So I don't know what's going to happen with this. I think it's going to quick flash, but hey, let's have some fun. Let's stick it in. Let's see what they do. So that's the video I thought I'd bring to you. And while we're fixing these, I'll tell you about what happened this weekend. So I found a penny in the garage, and on the bottom of here somewhere, I know mine is, I think there's a little divot that this penny will fit in. That way you can turn it sideways and pop these covers off. You see that little divot? Little focus is right there. So Friday, went to the clubhouse, Refuge Riders Clubhouse. Big thank you to Refuge Riders for putting us up or letting us crash and use your clubhouse for the weekend. Cleaned up the clubhouse. We had the shrimp boil at the clubhouse on Friday night. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I said shrimp boil. A crawfish boil. And we ordered pizzas for those folks who don't like crawfish. And it just hung out. And I gave a quick little talk on Friday night. Like a little, I don't know, devotional, I guess you could call it. Let's see if we can get this cover on. That was just unplug one, plug the other in. All right, let's turn it on and see what happens. Oh, that's red. Wow. Turn signal. See, there goes a quick hyper flash. But dang, look at it. It's red. That's a tail light, not a front light. I don't know if I want red on the front. I don't know how well you can tell that on this camera that it's red. Doesn't look very red on the viewfinder screen. Let me see if I can edit this a little. Yeah, that's a little more accurate. I know I just made it really dark in here, but it's becoming here. Maybe if I do this, or back up to 0 and cover up this light. There we go. That's a gray smoke lens with a white bulb, which kind of makes it look yellow. That's red. If I cover up this light, you get a little bit more accurate picture of how red it is versus that, which is a white filament behind a smoke lens, which kind of makes it look yellowish in comparison to the stark white of the headlight and the passing lamps. This is straight up red. So when you step back, it's red. And this doesn't really do it justice. Let me see if I can darken it up to make it look more red. I guess that's it. So yeah, this video is probably gonna be fairly short because that's red. Let's take it apart. What I'm probably going to do instead of those is they just sell the little tower looking LED bulbs, 1167, I don't know. And it's not stamped on here, unfortunately, but I'll probably just get one of those and stick it in here. But for now, I'm not going to run red turn signals that stay on red all the time. So I'm just going to put this white bulb in with my smoke lens and probably just keep it like that. And I've already swapped out rear turn signals, so I can't even use this on the rear. It won't fit. So I guess I'll just give them back to Squirrel for now, or pass them along to somebody else. Dang it, it was worth a shot. So anyway, so we had an awesome time Friday. Saturday, we did Iron Saturday as usual. Then we went down to the Speedway. We had our bike blessing at 10. Had probably about 80 bikes actually on the physical ride itself. Was police escorted, got back by 12:30. Pretty much uneventful ride. It was, you know, as soon as our feet picked up in the parking lot of the Harley dealer, they didn't hit floor again until we hit parking lot of the Harley dealer. Great ride through the country. They did a good job leading us, escorting us, and blocking for us. And I have video footage of all this, so I'm going to put it all together. The best time, though, was at the clubhouse, the brotherhood time, the hanging out time. That was really Friday night, Saturday night. We went out for Mexican for dinner, went to Casa Grande, like almost 40 of us. Casa had the longest table I've ever seen. It was truly a great weekend. I don't know how much we raised. I'm not for sure yet. We're still working on that. Still waiting on some sponsor checks coming in, so I don't want to say an amount yet. I'll probably do a What's Up Wednesday to share that amount. Sunday we went to church, and Weave from Big Daddy Weave, the lead singer of Big Daddy Weave, was there kind of sharing his story. And that was a really awesome time at Refuge Church is where we're at in Kannapolis, North Carolina. So it was a great weekend. It was the best part of it all was hanging out with my brothers and bros, spending time with them, just enjoying the fellowship, the hang time, the catching up, the everything. It was truly an awesome and blessed weekend. So thank you, all you guys, for putting in work to make it possible. All right, so this didn't work. Epic fail today on the turn signals. If they were orange, I would have kept them on there, but they're red. That's a stop indication. So those are really meant for the back of the bike, not the front of the bike. So if you get turn signals for the front of your bike, try to stick with yellow. All right. And then when they're off, you can have that nice cool white trim ring light. Yeah, sure. And then the inside will flash yellow when it's time for a turn signal. But yeah, we'll figure out something else. We'll be back with different turn signals for Miss Piggy. But I mean, although that is kind of low on my list of to-dos, I will be honest. I had these turn signals given to me. I thought, hey, you know what the heck? I need a video to put up. I'd like some new turn signals on here. Let's do this video tonight and give me some more time to edit. Probably about 10 hours of video footage from the Orphan Run. So try to get that out as soon as possible, but it truly was an epic weekend. I think you'll see it. I think I captured some moments of it really pretty well. So, all right, Yogi Clan, have an awesome night. And, well, it's Tuesday morning. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you later.